So I'm in the granite this morning, and I'm hauling 4 loads of black shale to Appleton. So I just loaded myself a second ago, and I'm gonna take you on the trip up there. It is Sunday, it's 12:50 now. This is my now 3rd load. So I've been on it since about 9, but I'll take you guys for a ride. Accident here. Kind of looks like everybody's okay. Well, I'm up in Appleton. I just finished that last load of shale. I'm gonna start making my way back. That was a pretty good accident. Suddenly came across, and I ended up slightly flat spotting one of the pusher tires, trying to get stopped. I came around the corner and bam, they were stopped. I got her slowed down just fine, but I was pressing hard enough on the brake and ended up flat spotting that tire. So I'm like, great, we literally just put that tire on. I was like, God damn it. Not really something you want to do, but you know, when you come around the corner and there's an accident, not a lot you can do about it. It wasn't like I was going too fast around a turn and suddenly slammed on my brakes or some error that I did, but still, it's kind of sucks. Tires are expensive. But I'm gonna head back down and go put on a load of dirt and go take it back up to the top of the mountain. See how quick I end up getting stuck. Don't want to do it. I buried this truck last night, as you guys saw. I was there till like 8:45 or 9 or something like that. Just like, damn it. So much work to dig that thing out. Ashley's got my pickup truck, so if something happens, I can call her and she can try giving me a tug. But I'm hoping to just not get stuck this time. I'm gonna call the boss and see if he wants me hauling on it or not. And if he does, then I can I'll be like, hey, you know, might get stuck again, just warning you. But we're going the back way. Don't even know what road this is. The other one's gonna be closed for so much longer that I just figure I'll just go back the back way empty. There's a bridge up here that's got a weight limit on it where I can't cross it loaded, but technically I could cross it empty. I'm empty. I'm exactly the weight limit. I think I'm 24,000 pounds, and you're allowed 26,000. So it's pretty close. These bridges are rated a lot higher. I've crossed 8-ton bridges at 70,000 pounds before nothing happened, but still. Pretty beautiful area though. Gotta give them that.
We don't look too guilty. We don't crave too much. You're calling but I'm not gonna save you. Nah, I'm not gonna talk to you.
Daddy a sandwich. And Birdie. Birdie. They're coming for one trip real quick. So it's not going to be too long, but I told her make Daddy a sandwich, and she brought Daddy a sandwich. She's a very good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Someone is going to stab me in my sleep tonight. Oh, Birdie. Birdie. Birdie's very concerned. We call him the concerned puppy. He's never been in the truck before. Pem rides really well. He comes out quite often with us. And then, you know, he used to go over the road in the semi-truck with me. I don't think Birdie's ever been in a big truck before. He makes all this noise. So he's a little unsure of things. Well, I'm gonna run a handful of loads tonight. Move to a different spot, so I'll run a little bit less of a risk of getting stuck. But for now, we'll do a couple, I suppose. At least try and get some dirt moved up there. It's 7:16. I'm at the office. Ashley's here in the truck. She brought me dinner. Just got done dump trucking and moving some trucks around because the people who rent right next to us, the bottom hoppers keep dumping their traps, their hopper traps, in our parking lot. So I moved the lowboy to kind of block them in to get them to stop doing that. They didn't spend all the money in the concrete rock and redoing the parking lot. We did, and they're over there dumping grain and corn and everything on it. So Ashley's here. We're gonna lock up the gate and go home. She brought me dinner, so I'm gonna eat here, do some computer work, and then I think it's gonna rain tomorrow, so I don't think any of us is gonna be working, which will be nice because I worked all weekend. But we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Faster than the speed of light, we stretch time. Snare drum pass, wicked sins. Faster than the speed of light. I've been